Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW Polo SEL. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 108 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 49 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 40,000 miles and comes with full service history. This amazing colour is the metallic energetic orange, and as you can see is in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first of all we've got the nice clean interior there. The seats are in great condition and there's a armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control just below, and then automatic headlights and wipers, and then finally on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. As we open the rear doors, for a small hatchback the Polo has lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own 2 USB ports there as well in the centre, so ideal for charging devices. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is adjustable, so it's at its highest point at the moment, so you can hide bits and pieces underneath, or you can lower it completely to increase the volume by a few inches. That's nice and practical. Externally the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.